his cub roaring loud and strong, riding on the jungle coach, singing a happy song.
There the elephant with calf walking side by side in the blue big coach with a joyful stride.
In the blue big coach with a joyful stride. The cub dog and little puppy wagging tails with cheer. In the red coach barking woof woof loud and clear. Purry cat with her kitten purring soft and sweet in the pink coach, cuddling as they meet.
And a duck and duckling waddling in a line in the green coach, splashing oh so fine.
His latch horse and tiny foal
running fast and free in the brown coach, galloping with glee.
Red bear with his cub hugging oh so tight in the purple coach, smiling with delight.
At kangaroo and Joey
bouncing up and down in the orange coach, hopping all around.
The panda with her cub chewing bamboo leaves in the lavender coach, laughing as she weaves.
And the sheep and little lamb, fluffy, white and small in the blue coach, bawling loud for all. Hot dog and little puppy wagging tails with cheer.
Hop on the baby animals train,
Let's meet them all today. Hop on the baby animals train, let's meet them all today.